Here we have an exercise where we consider this double integral and we want to change the order of integration, meaning that in this case, as you can see, we first integrate over dy and then we integrate over dx. What we want to do is we want to integrate first over dx and then integrate over dy. So this is just a simple problem. Now let's try to work this out. The variable y, if we take a look at these limits of integration, is between the curve 3x squared, which is a parabola in the xy plane, and the line 12x, whereas the coordinate x, as you can see from these two limits of integration here, is between 0 and 4. So if we want to draw this domain of integration, we have something like this. It is quite simple. Here's x, here's y. This is x equal to 0 and this is x equal to 4. So if we draw this line, it is a vertical line just like this. Then we have this curve, which is a parabola, and now I'm going to draw the parabola y equal to 3x squared. So it is something like this, and at x equal to 4, the parabola is equal to 3 times 16, which is 48. So y is equal to 48 here. And then we have the line y equal to 12x, but this line passes through the points x equal to 0 and x equal to 4, because if you check, 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So this line will intersect this vertical line here at the point x equal to 4. Therefore, the integral is performed over this region. This is the region of integration. What we want to do is we want to integrate first over x, so this way here, like this, and then over y. So we want to change the order of integration. If we consider this parabola here, this is the parabola y equal to 3x squared, but if you want, you can also rewrite that same part of the function, which is in the first quadrant, as x equal to the square root of y over 3. So this is a positive quantity because x is positive between 0 and 4. So we don't have to consider a sign here. So this is a plus sign. In principle, you could also have a minus sign, but we have to choose the plus sign because x is between 0 and 4. Whereas this line here, we can also rewrite it like this. X equal to y over 12, right? Therefore, when we integrate and we want to swap the order of integration, the integral over x can be performed between this line here, which is the line x equal to y over 12, all the way up to square root of y over 3. And then the y coordinate will change between 0 here and 48. Simple as that. And then here we have the same function f of x y dx dy. So this integral here is equal to this integral here. And this is the solution to our problem.